Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete all pictures, shapes and objects in Microsoft Word document. So select one by one your picture and objects and press delete key on keyboard. Like this if you have the picture. So you need to select them and press delete key on keyboard. Like this. So we have this picture and we need to delete. So select and press delete and press backspace. So this is a short video guys to learn how to delete all pictures, shapes and objects. So thanks for watching.